Well, it's a great feeling, and it's always nice to be appreciated in a way where people vote for you more than anything else. And I guess it's a result of all the films that I've done and all the characters that I've played. Um, so it's fun. I mean, you can't take these things very seriously, but it's fun.
हर बार कैसे कर लेती हैं कि मतलब 9 लोग इसमें भी 9 लोग हैं वो आपके पीछे रहेंगे मतलब 99 लोग जो आपसे पीछे हैं वो तो आपसे जेलस होंगे ना तो ये आप हर बार कैसे करते हो
You can't take these things seriously. This year it's me, next year it'll be somebody else, last year it was someone else. You have to live in the moment, and they've been nice enough to choose me as number one, and it's a nice feeling, and we're all here to celebrate that. Yeah.
What do you think has led to this particular time? What do you think you've done? Because you have carved your image very strategically. You have all these brand endorsements, 16 of them, so as to say. You think you've, strategically moved towards making this your forte?
I've never looked at my career as like a game of chess where you can strategically place, and there's no game plan as such. I don't think you can. I think everything is instinctive and everything comes from the heart. I think something like this really is a result of the work that I do. I don't think it has anything to do with me physically.
And
Uh,
brand endorsements in particular?
Sure, definitely. But I also think that the brand endorsements also are a result of the films that you do. I am an actor, and for me, that is my priority. I think I've been very fortunate to have, in the last 2-3 years, the kind of roles that I've done have been very, very different from each other, and I've got the opportunity to do that and to play different characters. So I guess something like this, or the brand endorsements that you're talking about, are a result of that, and of course I guess the success of that, and I guess the relatability of the characters.
हाँ आपकी क्या राय क्या सस्ता और क्या महंगा
He's been asking everyone this all evening, so
Correct. So Reshmi was killing.
What is your opinion on the budget? वो तो हर साल हम यही कहते हैं ना. Okay, first of all, I don't think this is the right platform to be discussing something as serious as the budget. That's one. Secondly, I don't think I'm qualified enough, or no, I don't think I have enough knowledge to just make a random comment about something that I'm not very, very clear about. So once I study a little, or I know from someone who knows enough about it, I can always share my views
The
with you.
in Spider Fernandez, has been making headlines. We don't know about your look, and
You see tomorrow.
what did you think about Arjun's look? How it's carefully crafted, very carefully crafted, very.
I think Arjun was perfect for the part. I think our trailer's launching now in a couple of days with Lekar Hum Deewana Dil, which is a film that I'm really looking forward to. But I think when I read the script, I couldn't think of anyone else but Arjun. I think he really fits the part. As an actor, there are times where you have to work towards looking like that part. But and there are times when you're lucky, like for me it happened with Ye Jawani Hai Deewani. I just had to more or less be myself, and I think this film is like that for him, and I think he's fabulous in the film. But more importantly, I think the fact that I got the opportunity to work with Nasiruddin Shah, Dimple Kapadia, Pankaj Kapoor, 5 of us for 1 month in Goa in a car was a fantastic learning experience.
Ma'am, also you're going to South France very soon to shoot.
In day after, yeah.
With Ranbir, any thoughts about that? You're going to be teaming up with Ranbir, Imtiaz again after Love Aajkal. Looking forward to it?
Absolutely, I'm really excited. I'm kind of nervous, like it's almost my first film for some reason. Ranbir has been a fantastic co-star, and we've done a beautiful movie together. And Imtiaz again gave me one of my most memorable movies in Love Aajkal. And so now getting to work with the two of them together, and Rockstar is again one of my most favorite films. So I'm really getting that, that feeling when you're really excited about something, butterflies in the stomach, like almost like it's my first film.
मैम आप और कैटरीना लास्ट 6 years से ये ताज जीतते आ रहे हैं एंड
Taj.
तो अवार्ड जीतते आ रहे हैं तो आज आप जीत गए हैं कैसा लग रहा है बिकॉज हमने रिसेंटली देखा आप और कैटरीना यू हैव हग्ड एंड व्हाट इज योर टेक ऑन दैट
I think she's absolutely stunning. She's extremely beautiful and she's very, very talented. And she deserves to have won for all the times that she has. And like I said, one can't take these things very seriously. So I'm sure this year, if it's me, to next year it will be someone else.
दीपिका एक आपसे लिपस्टिक
Guys, one at a time. What kind of a question is that? Are you seeing somebody? क्यों जाना चाहते हो आप? Such a boring question. Please move on from this question.
Deepika, you would like to answer that question, please.
Which one? See, I think the media very conveniently takes grabs of some random thing. I've always said that we've been very, very cordial with each other, and that's not the one and only time that we've met. We've met several times. I guess a lot of times the media doesn't probably have access to say events where we probably have met and we have spoken, and that's about it. You can't really make anything out of a random clip that's come out of nowhere.
दीपिका दो सवाल दीपिका एक सवाल आप पूछो
Preetika's case has stayed in the center stage. It's been making a lot of news.
Why are you asking me these
दीपिका यार
questions?
आपको बोलना चाहिए
Because she went on Facebook and she had a very emotional sort of outburst, if I can say so, on Facebook, commenting about her place as an actress in the industry and also as a woman in the industry.
आपने भी कभी इस तरह की जेंडर जो डिस्पैरिटी वो कभी फेस की है? इस पे ओवरऑल जो हमारे इंडिया का पर्सोना है इस पे आपकी क्या राय है कि वुमेन के बारे में हम जिस तरह से लोग देखते हैं
I need to answer one of your questions because your questions are very different.
She spoke about her place in the industry as a woman, as an actress. Sometimes she's felt the disparity. You've always spoken about it. You've always spoken about Priyanka has talked about the disparity in pay.
Yeah.
With respect to a lot of those things, she had a very emotional outburst. Also keeping in mind the controversy that's happening with the legal case. What do you have to say about that? All encompassing about the case and about the kind of treatment given to that.
See, I don't think it's my place to be commenting on anybody's personal space, and what's happened, what's not happened is none of my business. What I can applaud her for is the fact that I've always believed that she's a very, very strong woman, and I appreciate her for that. And I'm not saying this in context to what you're particularly asking me about, but I've always admired her for the fact that she's always been very, very outspoken. She's always stood for what is right. She's never shied away from standing up for what is correct. And, I respect her for that.